Imagine an exercise so powerful it can reshape your body and address nearly all the challenges you're facing, all without a gym, fancy equipment, or anything other than your own body weight. Sounds hard to believe, right? But trust me, it's real. Squats are incredibly simple, yet highly effective, and the results will come faster than you'd expect. In this video, we'll break down each benefit of daily squats, and by the end, I'll share a proven technique to maximize your results. So, what makes squats so effective? Why are they considered a game changer for fitness? The answer lies in their unique ability to transform your entire body. Squats are more than just an exercise. They're one of the most efficient movements to increase strength, boost flexibility, and even burn fat. If you want a straightforward yet powerful move that delivers real results, squats are the way to go. Often labeled as a lower body exercise, squats actually engage your whole body. While your quads, hamstrings, and glutes take center stage, the benefits extend far beyond your legs. Every squat activates your core, stabilizing your torso, while also involving your lower back and even upper body muscles, like the traps and shoulders, when done with good form. Squats turn your body into a calorie-burning, muscle-building powerhouse by engaging almost every major muscle group at once. In today's world, where we spend so much time sitting, our muscles tighten and our range of motion becomes limited. Squats offer an antidote to this modern-day issue. By encouraging deep hip flexion, stretching your hamstrings, and engaging your ankle joints, squats can gradually unlock new levels of flexibility and mobility. With improved movement, even daily activities like walking or bending down become smoother and more effortless, reducing the risk of injury. Want to burn more fat in less time? Squats might be your answer. Targeting large muscle groups like the glutes and quads, squats burn more calories than many other exercises and even increase your metabolism. By building muscle, squats help you burn more calories at rest, making them an effective option for fat loss without long cardio sessions. Plus, a strong core is more than just aesthetics. It provides stability and balance in every movement. Each squat engages your core muscles, working hard to protect your spine and improve posture. This core engagement reduces the risk of back pain, promotes better alignment, and helps you feel stronger overall. Squats also embody functional fitness. They mimic daily movements like sitting, standing, picking things up, or lifting objects. By adding squats to your routine, you're better prepared for these real-life tasks, making your body more resilient and capable beyond the gym. And there's more. Squats can enhance athletic performance by building explosiveness, speed, and agility. Whether you're into running, cycling, or sports, squats help you boost performance. By developing fast twitch muscle fibers, essential for powerful, quick movements. Want to jump higher, run faster, or crush intense workouts? Squats have you covered. They're also a great way to future-proof your body. Squats strengthen bones and joints, particularly in the hips, knees, and ankles. This not only helps prevent osteoporosis, but also reduces the risk of injuries with age. Every squat helps build a stronger foundation for your body, promoting long-term resilience. The benefits of squats are undeniable. Whether your goal is building strength, revving up your metabolism, improving flexibility, or getting your body ready for everyday movements, squats deliver. They're a powerful exercise that supports a more functional, toned, and durable body. Now, what about squatting every day? The answer is yes, daily squats can be effective, but a few key factors are essential to getting the most from this habit without setbacks. Unlike exercises that heavily stress certain muscles, bodyweight squats are easier on the nervous system since they don't involve added weights. This makes them perfect for daily practice, allowing you to build strength and endurance without overstressing your body. That said, Give your muscles, joints, and tendons time to adjust. Patience is crucial for reaping the rewards in the long term. One vital factor for daily squats is, of course, form. Perfecting your squat technique is key, so take it slow and prioritize proper form over rep count. Mastering the basics will set you up for success down the road. In a moment, I'll walk you through the correct technique for bodyweight squats so you can maximize the benefits. Listening to your body is essential when squatting daily. If you feel sore or experience joint pain, take a rest day or reduce intensity. And remember, you don't have to stick to the same depth or speed every day. Mix it up. Try holding a pause at the bottom, slowing down the tempo, or varying your squat depth to avoid straining the same muscles repeatedly. Adding variety will keep your routine fresh and effective. When done with proper form, daily squats can be a game changer. Not only do they reinforce neuromuscular patterns, but every squat you do helps you improve. Over time, you'll notice smoother, more powerful squats and a range of benefits like increased muscle endurance, enhanced flexibility, and better balance. Your body will thank you. Yes, you can squat every day. Just remember the key principles: moderation, form, and consistency. Wondering how many squats to start with? For beginners, aim for 20 to 50 squats a day to focus on good form and build strength gradually. Start slow, quality over quantity. As you get stronger, you can add 10 to 20 reps each week. Once you've established a strong foundation, try for 50 to 100 squats daily to really challenge your muscles and boost strength and endurance. If 100 squats sound overwhelming, no worries. Break them into sets of 20 or 30 throughout the day, maybe one before breakfast and another after lunch. By evening, you'll hit your target without overdoing it. For advanced squatters ready for a challenge, try 150 to 300 squats a day. At this level, variety is key. Switch up your routine with sumo squats, jump squats, or single leg squats to target different muscles and avoid burnout. Daily squats don't mean going all out every day. Consider including 1 or 2 lighter days with fewer reps or easier squat variations. These recovery days are crucial for muscle repair and growth while maintaining the habit. The beauty of squats is that the number you do should match your fitness level and goals. Beginners can start small and build gradually, while seasoned athletes can push limits with more reps and challenges. The golden rule: consistency is key. Stick with it, and the results will speak for themselves. Stronger, leaner legs, better flexibility, and a more toned body, all from the power of squats. How to perform a bodyweight squat with proper form. 1. Stand with feet shoulder width apart or slightly wider, with toes turned slightly outward. 2. Engage your core to support your spine throughout the movement. 3. Push your hips back as if sitting in a chair, allowing your knees to bend naturally and follow your toes' direction. 4. Lower yourself until your thighs are at least parallel to the ground, or lower if comfortable. 5. Push through your heels as you rise, engaging glutes and hamstrings. Straighten hips and knees together to return to standing. Inhale deeply as you lower, stabilizing your core, and exhale as you rise, giving your body extra power. Share your squat record in the comments below and be sure to check out our other videos. Bye.